Hey guys, welcome back to this brand new video. Today I'm showing you how to make a YouTube playlist. So here on your PC, your desktop, but also on your phone. And also give you some small tips to get views using playlists as well. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. I'm first going to show you here on PC desktop. So I'm going to go right here to my profile. I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. Now here actually going to go to the top right here. I'm going to do create. And I'm gonna go to new playlist. Now here I can, for example, add something like tutorial. Description, you can do description, that can definitely help. Using some keywords that can play a role. The title is also very important because it might rank your playlist if it's more specific. So keep in mind that it has to be pretty niche or specific. This will actually make chance for your public playlist to actually rank if that's something you want as well. So also make sure the description has some detail in it in that case, but I'm just gonna leave this blank. And here you have public. It's going to be public so everyone can see it. Private, only you will be able to see it. And here in unlisted is actually going to be if only people have a certain link, they will be able to access this playlist. Then this is a preference in a certain order, like the newest, the oldest, or the most popular. That's up to you. And here you can actually already start by adding a certain video. Now I have all my videos here, but I'm not going to do it this way. I will show you later on how to individually add new videos. So I'm just going to do cancel here, and then I'm going to do create. So then you can actually go to content here and go to playlists up here. And here as you can see, I have my new tutorial one. So I'm just going to go inside here. As you can see here, we don't have any videos yet. And here you can do some changes if you want to. You even have analytics to see how the playlist performs. And so if you go into the playlist itself as well, you can just do add video. And you can do upload new videos or choose an already existing video. And then let's just say my latest one. And there we go. It's as simple as that. Now I can also go to another existing playlist I already have, like this one right here, where I put all my software tutorials. Now if I go, for example, to the videos of that one, you can see here I have filtered it to the most recent uploads I've done concerning softwares like Voicemeeter, OBS and DaVinci, for example. As you can see, though this series works pretty well on my channel, I managed to get quite a lot of views here. Quite often in the thousands actually, so that's really nice. Also, as you can see, I can see my analytics here. As you can see here, you can actually see the views that I got from the playlist. The total views, playlist watch time, and also the watch time in general I got from it. And as you can see, this is the analytics of how many views I got in a day with videos in this playlist. So actually not yesterday, but the day before I actually got 6 views altogether from videos in this playlist. Now I did manage that even though it has a simple title as software tutorials. It's nothing that will really per se rank, but it's still a name that does pretty well. It's because the videos, people tend to watch these videos and they see that they're part of a certain playlist, and so they're curious and they actually go to this playlist to check out other videos that might be similar or a different problem they might be searching for. Or another playlist from mine, like download tutorials. This, as you can see, some general download tutorials about certain software. And if you go to the analytics, as you can see, same here, we have some general analytics. How many views videos within this playlist got in the last 48 hours. Even though this is just called download tutorials. Nothing, it's not a name that will necessarily rank, it's just the videos in there have a certain subject. Or maybe they're like, oh, well, he did a video on how to download this. Maybe he has also a video on how to download that software, you know, and they just go through the playlist just to check it out, even though, and checked out another video, which is very important, of course, because if they watch one video and another video from you, it's always nice, of course. Now this playlist is a bit in a disorder because I put it in the wrong order, but you get the idea. So here on my phone, actually, if I'm here on the main YouTube page within the YouTube app, I'm going to go down here to you. Now here you're going to scroll down until you see playlists right here. And just go all the way to the end here. So you can do view all and do new playlist, or you can just do new playlist here. Here you will see your recently watched videos. You can actually add one if you want, but otherwise you just do next. Now here, same, I'm going to do the title, just going to do tutorial again. And same here, as I said before, public. As you can see here, it's even described a little bit. Unlisted is for anyone who has the link and can view it. And private is only that you can view it. So then we just click create here. So now if I go to my channel here on my phone and I go to my recent videos, and let's say I want to add my latest video as well. I'm going to click here to save to playlist. So when I click to the 3 dots to the right here, I'm going to click save to playlist. And so here I'm going to add it to tutorial. And then we click done. And so here, if you can see, if I go one tab further into playlists, you can see that mine is on top here. It's the newest one, the tutorial playlist with the actual recent video in there. As you can see, if I click on it, I go in here. It's the tutorial playlist with the only video that I added. So there you go. It's very easy. As I said, use keywords in the titles and description if you really want to rank the playlist in question. And you can also, as I said, add different kind of videos if you do some kind of tutorials, or if you're doing another series on your channel that people want to follow, you can easily get some playlist views because people want to go to the playlist and follow that whole series that you're currently doing on your channel. No matter what it is, give people a reason to go to that playlist so that you can actually rank up some views and that people actually watch multiple videos of yours. So in that way, increase views of multiple of your videos. In any case, guys, I wanted to keep this quick, give some tips along the way. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.